Hi guys, welcome to part 4 of the camping vlog. So today it's raining a little, it's a little crappy out. So we're probably gonna go to Uno for lunch, and then after we'll see you guys at Candy Bar Bingo. So
we have a winner! Woo!
yeah, finally.
They got new candy bars too on the table. Here we go. Thank you for sitting with us. She got it. What's your card? Let me see your card. Let me see your card.
Just concentrating very hard on winning.
26. I won 2 times, so lucky. I'm sad.
Wait, you want to show up for candies we got to start? I got gumballs.
Oh my god, that's a big bag of gumballs.
I got this one and that one. So.
No, never mind that one.
Now, I know you guys can't wait to get in there, so we'll keep this quick. Stand by for the equipment briefing. Be sure to put on your vest correctly.
Walk.
Go straight.
So Miriam got top place on the red team, and Marissa got top place on the blue team. Pretty good. Hey guys, so that is pretty much it for today's vlog. So, as I said before, please click that subscribe button down below so I can get to my goal of 1,000 subscribers. Hit that like button so I know you guys love my videos I do on the weekends with Miriam and Lisa, and also my sit downs I do. And also comment down below any new video ideas / challenges you have for me. And thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.